In today's video, I'll teach you how to disable sensitive content on Facebook. So first of all, launch open Facebook application. You can see over here, Facebook has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. So if you want to disable the sensitive content, it is actually very simple. Tap on the three lines that you can see at the top left corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on this option, settings and privacy, that you can see on the screen. Now over here you can see various options. Tap on the option settings. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the settings interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. Simply scroll down. Now over here you'll be able to find this option for preferences. At first you'll be able to find this option for content preferences. So what you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be able to access the settings related with content preferences over here. Right over here, you'll be able to find this section for what you see. Over here, you can see this option, sensitive content. So what you have to do is tap on it. So right now default is selected. That means you might see the sensitive content. So what you have to do is tap on this option, show list, that you can see on the screen. Now tap on this option, save, that you can see on the screen. Now you will see less of the sensitive content. So like this, you'll be able to see less of the sensitive content, which is equivalent to disabling it. So that is how you disable sensitive content on Facebook. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.